Hello guys, welcome to the Tecnoux YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download high resolution images from Google Images. You can download HD or 4K pictures from Google without any software or application. So let's start the tutorial. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel. Guys, this is my first ever video on YouTube. So please subscribe to my channel and comment your experience and queries. So without wasting any time, let's get to work. First, open your browser and search for any image that you want. In my case, I want to download a picture of Harry Potter. So I am searching for it and click on the images section. Here you can see a lot of images. Select the one that you like and click on it. Here comes the important step. Right click on the image and you can see a lot of options here. People usually click on the save images button and download the image right away, like what I did now. But you can see the image size, resolution and quality which are very low. So instead of doing this, click on the search Google for this image button. Now a new tab will open. Here you can see the resolution of the image. It's very low. Now click on the all sizes. Now you will see all the available versions of the same image. Now click on the first image. It will be the highest quality HD image. Let it load for a second. You can see the image resolution below. Now you can save this image. This is how you can download high resolution images from Google Images. Same steps for mobile devices. But after you click on all sizes button, you will reach this page. Now you have to enable the desktop site. Otherwise you can't find the image resolution here, or you can see whether the image is properly loaded or not. So click on three dots and select the desktop site at the bottom. Now the page will load on desktop mode and then you can follow the steps. Now you know how to download high resolution images from Google Images. So I hope you found this video useful. If so, then please like my video and comment your thoughts and queries. And please subscribe to my channel Tecnoux for more useful tricks and tips. Thank you and have a nice day.